Welcome to part 5 of this VISSIM tutorial. In the previous video, we learned how to add vehicle routes and define turning ratios. Now, we are going to add vehicle inputs and the desired speed points. Now that we're done with adding vehicle routes, all we need to do is close this menu. It was the bottom portion, there's an X portion, you can just click it, and we are going to move on to clicking the vehicle inputs. You do that by left clicking the vehicle inputs, the text, not the icon, and scrolling into where the vehicles would actually enter. You will need to place vehicle entries on each of the 4 approach links. Vehicle inputs should only be placed where you want vehicles to enter. With the mouse hovering over an approach link, right-click to place the vehicle input. So here, we're looking at Ottawa Street North, the westbound leg, and we're gonna right-click the end of this link. We're gonna see that this black bar, that shows that the vehicle input has been placed. And we're gonna do that for the rest of them. So that was the westbound leg. We're gonna go to the entrance of the northbound leg. Got that here. Let's go to the eastbound. Zoom in. Right click. And now the southbound. Do the same. Entrance. And now we have, if you look at the box underneath the network editor, it shows that we have 4 inputs. Here we go. Now that we have our 4 inputs, we can set the volume by going to the volume column, double clicking it, or just clicking it and changing it to whatever number you have. You're going to get this data from your vehicle detector data that we will post on Learn. But for now, for this example, we're going to set all the volumes to 700 vehicles per hour. Now that we have set the vehicle volumes, we can close this up. And we can change the speed at which the vehicles will enter the intersection. You can do this by going to the network objects, left-clicking the text that says desired speed decision, and right-clicking on the link to place a speed limit decision onto the network. So we're going to place the speed limit decisions on all the approach links near the vehicle entry points by right-clicking on the link. And I want it to be on that link. And I'm going to add. So to add the speed decision, you right click and then this will pop up. You click add and you will get different vehicle classes and the speed decision type. So we're going to make sure we have cars under vehicle class, cars, and heavy vehicles. So cars, you can see that you have different vehicles that you can choose from. So we have cars and heavy vehicles, and we're going to change this to 60 kilometers an hour. We can just type it in. And you're good. You can do this for every lane. So once you see the yellow bar, that means you will have your desired speed decision. And now you have to do that for all your approaches.